Use callback hook in React. Let's talk about that. So let's import useState and useCallback from React. Let's create a new state variable here. And the variable name is going to be count. Set count. And here we will use useState. And the initial value is going to be 0. And in the UI, I will remove this. I will create here a button. And on the click of this button, I will run one function that is going to be handle increment. And the text on the button is going to be increment. And here I will add one paragraph which will display the value of count. And now I will write our handle increment function. And here we are going to use our callback hook, and this callback hook takes two parameters. First one is going to be the function and the second one is going to be this dependency, and here we will pass our count variable, and inside the function we will increase the value of count. So let's increase the value of the count by 1. Now let's take a look on the UI. Let me zoom it a little bit for you. So as I'm going to press here this button increment, you can see the value of the count is getting increased. Now let's get back onto the code and now try to understand how this handle increment function is working. So when the component initializes and loads for the first time, then in the initial render, handle increment is created and memoized. And when we are clicking on this button, our handle increment function increases the count. And if the count increases, the handle increment is recreated and memoized. So what use callback hooks do? They memoizes a function, prevents unnecessary function recreations, optimizes performance, and they are typically used for event handlers and the callback passed as props.